So we are finally heading back to Catba. The lockdown is over. We're all really excited. We took a bus this morning really early, and we can't wait to come back and cuddle the dogs. Oh, I'm so happy. Everything is alright again. Everything's alright.
So excited.
Oh. I've been literally like crying for the last 10 minutes. It feels so good to be back.
Finally. They've had to change because these are hostile dogs, man. They've been around like more than 5 people every day of their lives, kind of thing, you know, like always getting love.
Yeah, I think someone would have just moved it somewhere, or it might have
So all day yesterday, everything just felt so unreal, and I'm just so happy I'm able to like drive out here and just sit in the grass by myself and hear the birds. Oh. We're finally back in paradise, basically. I just really appreciate this place now as like this perfect little bubble where you literally get to do whatever you want, like anything, and I just really want to make the most out of it. And I've just improved so much now when it comes to like listening to my feelings and doing my own thing, and just so nice. This big plant is just tickling my back the whole time. You hear all the birds? We have like the glowing plankton here in Catba, and it's the first time I've seen it in months, but I'm so happy it happened now because I could really appreciate it. So I was just kind of like waiting for everyone to leave the water again, had a joint, and then went back in on my own, and I can't even describe it. It's like you have little fairy dust in your hand. It's just these like very bright lights glowing, and it feels like you're looking at the stars, and every movement you do underwater is just like followed by that stream of light, and it's so beautiful, really truly. After watching like Avatar again, the one with the blue people, it was amazing because it's literally the same and you just feel the magic in this world. I really had such a good time. I was just like sitting in there, water up till here, and like just playing with it for so long. And I think it's just a really good sign, and everything is exactly how it's supposed to be. I'm just picking up some rubbish right now because I really enjoyed it, and the beach is quite dirty. Look for some seashells. Oh, I'm just so happy to be here, really. I'm like back in my element. It's amazing. It's weird now. This place seems like really abandoned, and it's nice because nature is overgrown a lot. Just went for a swim, and I'm gonna take a very nice shower, and like I appreciate this bathroom so much. I mean, there's plants growing right here. It's so beautiful. So I just found a little dead bird in one of the sinks at our hostel, but I brought it out and put it in a very nice spot, and now it's in the sun. It just feels like such an intimate thing to hold a bird, like, and now I'm just sitting out here with it. I am finally setting up a tent at the beach, and I found a pretty good spot, I think, and I'm really excited to sleep here tonight, hopefully. Yeah. I just made some nice dangly thingies for the tree next to my tent. I just went for a little drive to see the sunset, and the sunset wasn't that great, but it's actually full moon tonight, and it's so beautiful. And I'm just watching like birds fly across the sky the whole time. Yeah, it's nice, it's very nice, and I get to do this like every day if I want to. If we follow this bit, then you can get in.
So I had
Wow! Went for a little swim here, it's very nice. Yeah. Today we're doing like a little jungle walk. It's like 18 kilometers and then you have to take a boat back to Catba town. But yeah, it's already really nice. Hello!
Oh, look at them. That's beautiful. Look. I like the shape they make, huh?
Whoop!
We put him back.
Yeah. Now we're all like lost, stuck in different bushes. You can like barely even see the path anymore.
And all the different colors.
You see? A strange creature. Dinosaurus. Wow. Found a little crab in the jungle.
Wow. Man, you are fucking enormous.
Yeah.
Look at your legs. Wow, I love this creature.
Little update, a lot has happened. I don't want to go too much into detail. It was just like, it's been hectic, it's been dramatic. Last 2 weeks has been a lot. Anyway, the outcome of all of that is that a lot of people got fired. I'm gonna leave as well. I still hold all of this in such beautiful memory, and I just love this place so incredibly much. But I do also feel that it's time to leave for a lot of us, and we're off to great new adventures. I don't know what's coming yet, but yeah. I'm gonna stay on Catba for another like 2 or 3 days to just properly say goodbye to the island. I've had lots of tears flowing already. Like it's just become my home so quick, and since I got back I really valued every day. And one of the things I love about being here is just you're always surrounded by so many creative people doing beautiful art, like just like things I've never seen before. It's so amazing. Yeah, it's been really emotional now the last days. Just saying goodbye to the dogs and all the people left here still. Like, I just took some time today, walked through jungle camp, just sat at every place, imagined the people in the hammocks and under the dome singing and dancing and on stage and fire, and like it just makes me so happy. Like, I love crying, you know. I just love it so much because it just shows me how much worth the time here was spent. Like, also that's the bike I have right now. It's pretty cool. I'm walking to this beach right now that's like a little bit more hidden. of a tree. I cried with the tree for a little bit. And I come back out and the colors of the sky are so beautiful. I didn't expect the moon to be there, but the moon is there, and it's going to be full moon soon. It's so magical. And I have the whole beach for myself. Right? About to head out. Alright. So in less than an hour I'm gonna be off the island. I was lucky because there was no ferry at 11, so I had some time to sit at the pagoda and go for a swim. But yeah, I'm a bit scared, obviously. I really don't know what's gonna come. It's just like, because it really became my home. So grateful for this place. And I'm really grateful for all the places that will come, because I know there's so much more coming, and this is just the beginning, and we all kind of needed a kick in the ass to leave this place eventually and see the rest of the world. And now back to Hanoi, back into the big city, before I get to go into nature again. And I'm excited for the ferry ride, because it goes like right to Halong Bay, and I love being on boats. I was just gonna say a massive thank you for following me all the way on my journey up until here. This chapter is over for me now, but I'm really excited to see what the future brings, and I hope you're all the happiest version of yourself. Have a lovely day. Bye.